then we will start this lesson. So now let's start. The first question of the worksheet is, there are some pictures along with some words. What you have to do, you have to join the words with the exact pictures. So the first word is of mouse. Now mouse is connected with the shape of a mouse. Mouse has only two buttons, normally used to click. The second button or second word is keyboard. Keyboard is connected with the picture of the keyboard. Now why do we call it a keyboard? Because it contains some keys. Now we have speakers. We connected the word speakers with the shape of the speaker. Every student will do this with the help of a pencil. Okay, now we have a CPU. Okay, now we connected the CPU with the shape of CPU. The next word is printer. We connected it with the printer shape. Used to print the pages, worksheets, or many things we can print it. Now the last word is the monitor. We connect the word monitor with the shape of the monitor. So this is the first question. This question is basically a match the column. So basically you are matching the words with the pictures. It's a match the column. Now there is another question. You have to circle the correct part. The first question is, I have letters and numbers. Who I am? I am keyboard or I am headphones. So in both pictures, keyboard contains the letters and the numbers. So the answer is, make a circle around the keyboard. Second question, I'll let you pick what you want to do. Okay, so you can't pick anything with the help of a printer. Instead, you can only print something. But with the help of a mouse, you can pick any folder or pick any picture or pick any file. So, answer for the question number 2. Now, I sit on a desk and let you hear sound. So, with the help of this device, you will hear sound. Okay, so keyboard will not produce any sound. Speakers are the sound. So, speakers is the correct answer for question number 3. Now, what you have to do, you have to take the task that you can do on a computer. The first task is to draw. Second question, I'll let you pick what you want to do. Okay, so you can't pick anything with the help of a printer. Instead, make a circle around the keyboard. Now there is a we can play games on a computer. So the first four letters all are ticked. All these tasks we can do on the computer. The can we swim on computer? No, swim on computer. Put a cross on the swim. Can we walk on computer? Not walk on computer. Put a again cross on walk. Now can we solve sums on the computer? Solve sums on the computer. Put a tick on it. Can we jump on a computer? No, we jump or can't jump on the computer. Put a cross on it. So there are 5 tasks which we can do on the computer. It's a drawing, type letters, play music, play games, and solve sums. We can play games on a computer. So the first 4 letters all are ticked. All these tasks we can do on the computer. The fifth one is the swim.